Hi, my name is Keerthana Ayyappan. I'm working as a junior embryologist in Bloom Life Hospital in Chennai. I've come down to Milann to do an ICSI course, which is a 10 days program. I came here with the mindset that I'll learn how to do ICSI and then go back and begin to work. But then my experience here was much, much better than that. It was very wholesome. It was not only ICSI training that was focused on, but as an overall development of me as an embryologist. I got back into the habit of reading and my foundation basics in embryology, which is very important. I think I've gotten a better grip on that after doing the 10 days course. I really recommend Milann to everyone who's looking to fine tune their skills and to get into embryology or do a 3 months course here. Thank you.